We have to.
Okay, you're getting the ultimate classics from Carolyn Strauss. Individually, if you were going to buy this V-neck, individually, if you were going to buy these pull-on pants, there's no, each one is over or about $39.90. You're getting the set.
Right.
And that's why it's been so popular already. Hundreds of these were pre-selected, and we'll go through your color choices. Because you get a new color. Well, a new blue in this. It looks like, okay, new blue is what we're highlighting.
So, obviously in black, and what you're getting here is our boot cut pant, which is one of my all-time favorite silhouettes of pants, because when you wear a boot cut pant, it actually, you know, comes in a little bit at the knee, tapers out a little bit at the bottom, wearing it over boots, but what it does is it mirrors the shape of the upper part of your body with the lower part of your body and makes you look very feminine and very sexy. So I absolutely love a boot cut pant. That's the ocean blue that you're seeing on Carol.
It was like made for Carol and her eyes. Right? That's her eye color.
If you have blue eyes, you want to do this.
Beautiful.
So, and you can see the boot cut pant. Now, this again is our polyester spandex Miracle Stretch jersey. Now, the difference between the Miracle Stretch jersey and the Miracle Stretch knit is, Linda, you can see it actually on yours. See how the Miracle Stretch knit with the nylon has a little teeny micro rib.
Yes.
Do you see that?
I don't know if we can get the camera
I don't know if you guys
to,
can see that. But it's a little teeny, there you go. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. See that little teeny rib? And then the Miracle Stretch jersey is a microfiber, still has all of the spandex, but it doesn't have the rib knit. Got it? So it's just a little different feeling, but it still has all of the spandex that you could possibly need to work with kids. If you do any kind of health care, home health care, if you work at a senior center, if you work with people, our clothes will allow you to move so beautifully to take care of yourself while you're taking care of others. That's what we're about. Right. The lipstick red is a different, what? Go ahead.
3 lengths. I just want to make sure I was getting a question. We have average, petite, and tall.
Everything
extra
is
small
proportion.
3X. Okay, sorry about that.
No, thank you.
When you're ordering, you know.
Okay, so your inseam is going to be 27 inches on the petite, 29 inches on the average, and 31 to 31 and a half on the tall. So this is one of the only sets we've done, really, where if you're a 3X and you're 5'2", we have a petite 3X for you.
Great.
If you're an extra small and you're 5'10", we have an extra small tall for you. I mean, that's amazing. There, you know, we try to accommodate as many women as possible, but think about it. All of those sizes, all of those colors for $39.90. There is no place, even now, even if stuff is on sale, right? You are not going to find a fabulous boot cut pant like this for $39.90 in the stores. That comes along with the top. I mean, really. Now, when we designed this two-piece set, the concept here was to give you the ultimate in basics. I mean, this is as basic gets. The V-neck top.
But #1 silhouettes for you.
Exactly. Well, of course, because everybody needs basics in their wardrobe. We wanted to bring you the basics at such a ridiculous price that A, you can't pass it up, and B, all of your jewelry, all of your gorgeous, fabulous necklaces, scarves are in for spring. You know, we're talking about ruffles. Can you believe bows are back? So if you have a scarf and you want to do a bow at your neck, can you stand it? Okay. So if you want to wear a bow, seriously, when you see all of your spring, you know, little catalogs, you'll be like, there's bows. But this is the ultimate in, I have this great necklace that my kids gave me for my birthday this year. I need a great outfit to wear it with. Or you have a drawer full of gorgeous HSN jewelry, you know, the Victoria Wick jewelry, or, I mean, all of this gorgeous stuff. And you,
Tons.
Tons.
I'm thinking Heidi, I'm thinking Jake. I mean, we could go on and on and on here.
It's all going to work with this for so little money. And the other thing is, I'm sure you're looking at this, if you're just tuning in. Hi, I'm Carolyn. And if you're just tuning in, you're going, how is it possible that I'm getting 2 pieces, that I am getting a fabulous V-neck tunic, okay? which is going to be proportioned from 26 inches long in the petite extra small to 32 inches long in the 3X tall. So everything is proportioned. So is the pant, petite, average, and tall. How can that be for $39.90? Well, how it can be is we're manufactured in the USA. We sell Carolyn Strauss collection. We manufacture and bring our clothes exclusively to HSN. You cannot find us in any store anywhere, so we bring you things that you cannot find in a store that are exclusive to you, so that when you put it on in the morning, you look great, you feel great. You go out, you live your life, you'll get compliments. You don't have to think about yourself all day long.
It always sounds too good to be true, but when you try it and you get it home, you understand. Black just sold out in all the sizes.
Oh my gosh.
Tall, in average, in petite.
Congratulations,
So
ladies.
I'll go through what's still available for you. We do have this beautiful lipstick, which you're going to love. We have the purple, and then we have the ocean blue. Just true to size. Remember, machine wash, tumble dry, never peel on you, never lose their color. They never wrinkle, skims your body. If you go up a couple of pounds or you go down a couple of pounds, it doesn't matter with Carolyn Strauss.
Doesn't attract pad hair.
No, doesn't attract, and that's a biggie.
That's a biggie.
It is for dogs and cats. We've heard too. I mean, for everyone. I mean, that's
if your baby spits up on your shoulder, I swear this happened to a girlfriend of mine. Her baby spit up on her shoulder, and she was out to dinner, and she put the baby down, went into the bathroom, got a napkin with some cold water, rubbed it off. You'd never know that that the baby, was even there. So just so you know, it's an amazing fabric. It is. I mean, our, made in the USA fabric, made in the USA clothing, it really does last forever, and the color stays color fast forever. And what I love about two-piece sets, as I said earlier, when we dye the fabric, the top and the bottom are dyed together. So anytime you go to your closet and pull out this gorgeous Malibu blue top, you're going to know that the Malibu blue bootcut pant match. However, if you have a black pant, a brown pant, a cream-colored jean, and you want to put in some turquoise, mix and match, separate this in your wardrobe so you'll know that it matches.
It'd be darling with gray.
Look at how great it is with gray.
Right?
Oh, now with gray, that's stunning.
Mix and match, and that's what you'll do.
Beautiful.
You'll love it. We're going to review it just in case you're getting home, tuning in for the first time, getting a chance to relax for the first time.